try this avocado mix with spirulina. So we're gonna soak the chia seeds in almond milk, 500 milliliters, and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Soak it for around 10 minutes. Look, just like that, very easy. That's all the other starts of our smoothies. Now we're gonna blend 2 handfuls of spinach, 1 green apple, together with our milk. Yeah, just like that. Pour the milk and the seeds. Well, now we're gonna add our avocado. Yep, just fresh avocado. This is luck that it's pretty good, the avocado. It looks nice. Sometimes you have to buy like 4 avocados because we have a lot of bad luck with the avocados usually down here. So this is our first avocado, and let's see if we are lucky with the second one. Which, let's see, now it's, well, the regular stuff. The half is not good and the other half is okay. So just like that. Yeah. Now we're gonna squeeze some lemon. I'm gonna use 2 lemons. So I just want to remind that we have several smoothies in our playlist for smoothies and drinks and healthy drinks. We got a lot of smoothies there. Some of them that may be interesting for you. So just like that, we're gonna just blend it. The first round. Yep, we got a little bit of spirulina, 2 tablespoons. It's not 18 grams of spirulina. You can also reduce it if you don't like it or you're afraid of. We got some frozen avocado as our second avocado was not so good. So we add some frozen avocado and frozen banana. 2 bananas I have here. You just cut them and freeze them up. Yeah, just like that. We're gonna add a little bit of water because it was too thick. It was not so fluid. Now we're gonna blend it for the second time, and this is the results. Yeah, this is the color of the spirulina. Look, whoa, shake it out. So thank you very much for watching us. I hope you like it. There are a lot of smoothies or other recipes in the channels. I hope you can make them at home and enjoy it as we enjoy making them for you. Thank you very much and take care.